What's going on YouTube? Crypto Matrix here, coming at you with another cryptocurrency stream. And today we're going to be going over Bitcoin price action and Electroneum price action and talking about a little bit of news involving the Bitcoin price. And guys, if you haven't checked out my channel, be sure to do so. I be doing this every single day and I'm making good money on my trades. I'm getting subs every single day. I'm just having a great time. So guys, check out my videos. I talk all about the price action and get right into the good stuff, okay? So guys, I'm going to dive right into the price action for today. Let's not waste any time. So guys, the price went exactly where I thought it would yesterday. It went right up into the $9,200 range. From its shoot down on the 27th, all the way down to 8,800. We pumped all the way up to 9,232 and are resting right now at 9,170, okay? So a bit of a range today, a couple $100 range. It did hit that $9,200 I was talking about. It didn't get up into this channel yet, but I would like to see it back up into this channel. But we keep getting rejected at the $9,200 level. So in essence, you know, we've got to continue to put in our higher low. So higher low, higher low, higher low. We've got to put in another higher low and work our way up towards 9,300, okay? It might not just shoot up like a couple previous times where it just shot up like that, okay? It might not do that this time. It might just kind of creep up, seem kind of like a sideways and up motion, okay? So I think we're going to have a little bit of an upward trend going right here. So 9,300 is the goal for the next day. So hopefully it can work its way up there. And if it does dip down into this green box, guys, towards the $9,000 region, that's just a good opportunity to accumulate. So keep mindful of that. Remember, we are in a bull phase, even if it doesn't feel like it right now. I promise you, based on analysis, we are. So it's just a matter of time before things start to really kick off. But the tops are measured on my end at 18 months from last halving. So keep that in mind as well, guys. It could take 18 months from the last halving for the peak to actually play out. So this could still feel like the reaccumulation phase, but it's not. It is the bull phase post-halving. Okay? So guys, if the price drops down, be looking for some buy orders. If the price goes up, that's actually where I'm anticipating it to go, is to go up to the $9,300 range, because we have a little bit of a tightening going on. And if we bring up the Bollinger Bands here, you notice that we have a tightening going on, okay? So a tightening of the Bollinger Bands right now, and the EMA is very tight. EMA 20 is very close with the EMA 55. Okay, so we have a lot of indecision right now, but we are sitting above the middle Bollinger Band. So that is a little bit bullish. So that's why I think we're going up to the $9,300 range. And this is going to be tested as a resistance pretty soon, guys. Okay, it might not be today, it could be tomorrow, but I think it will happen. I don't think we'll be dropping down in the short term. So that's what I think is going on with Bitcoin, guys. And Electroneum, guys, I'm very excited to say we did break up out of that channel. So right through that channel and then out of it, guys. So that was the break that I've been talking about for Electroneum. It just took a little to get here. It took a week longer, you know, than anticipated all around. It could have happened right here, and that would have been really nice too. But a few days late, no big deal. Definitely coiled up and then surged out. Got all the way up to 0.0066, resting right now at 0.0063 and moving a little sideways right now. But guys, I'm hoping it continues to rise up. Electroneum has a lot of promise in their project, and they're just doing a lot of good things. So they're a coin that likes to move on its own, where Bitcoin drops and the Dow drops and all these other stocks dropping. Electroneum doing a lot of good work, so I'm hoping that they're moving forward in these kind of times, okay? So I think Electroneum finally got that break that we've been waiting for, guys, and I think that we're going to move a little sideways now, but up. So sideways and up, okay? So sideways and up, all right? So that's where I think we're going with Electroneum for right now. But still a little bit of work before we're back in this green box and in a good territory. And then soon I can draw a new graph. But right now I got to keep it the way it is, just in case we end up playing out into this descending triangle with a massive crash or massive pump. And that will take analysis. That's not something I'm anticipating right now. But with this massive runoff, we could see another blast, and I would like to end up in this green channel eventually, but I don't think that's going to happen in the next few days. If it does, that's awesome. That's great news. But it would take a lot of buying pressure to get there. Okay? So guys, that's all I have on Electroneum. Guys, be sure to subscribe and like for that call, guys. I called it way back here and then here again, and here we are, guys. We're sitting above the middle triangle and the descending triangle. Okay, guys, so that was an awesome call. Be sure to like and subscribe for that. And guys, I just wanted to talk about a little bit of news. Bitcoin price bulls pin hopes on descending channel breakout to 10K. So the Bitcoin price showed a bit of strength by briefly pushing to the 9,235. That's what we were just talking about. And that close occurred, but at the same time, writing a top-ranked digital asset on CoinMarketCap was trading below $9,200 resistance. So guys, that means that we keep getting rejected at the $9,200 level. And if you can see here, it's kind of hard to see, but if that's a tweezer top, so we have a bullish candle, then a bearish candle, and two long wicks at the top. That means a double rejection of higher prices, which means lower prices are imminent. So the 1 hour chart shows today rejection occurs slightly above the $9,200 resistance, and the ascending trend line where the price formed a tweezer top before pulling back to the 9,165. So currently Bitcoin is below the descending channel of the trend line of the 20 EMA, but if bulls can manage a high volume spike, the price could surge above the high volume VPVR node at 9,600 and flip 9,200, 9,500 areas of process to support. So guys, check that out. There's the 20 EMA, and then there's the 100 and the 200 crossing right there. Okay guys, so is this bearish or is this bullish? What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. Okay, so failure to return to the 9,400 to support in the short term is likely to result in a revisit to the 8,900. So if we can't break the 9,400, the 8,000s are likely to happen again, as it would be another rejection of higher prices, which we've been getting plenty of them. So if we break through the 9,400 and remain strong, that's a very good sign, but guys, we actually have to do that first. So on the daily time frame, the Bollinger Band shows that despite the weak volume and waning momentum, compression continues to occur as the trading range tightens. All signals that increase in volatility is incoming. So guys, with the tightening of the Bollinger Bands, that does mean that, the price volatility is incoming. So guys, that's why Bollinger Bands are so important to look at, because you can really gauge what's going on in compilation with the volume and make a good call there. Okay, and guys, also with the CoinMarketCap, we are up to $260 billion, and the Bitcoin dominance is like 64.7, and that's up today. Okay guys, so there's still a little bit more that has to play out for Bitcoin to actually hit some of these higher prices. But I think if we can punch through the $9,200 range and end up a little higher, that would be a very good sign, and that would be great for Bitcoin. And I think Electroneum as well is on its own pump right now, and I hope that it continues to pump through. I think we're going to move sideways and up. I don't think we're just going to flash crash right back down. I think this has had a lot of selling pressure, and now the buying pressure is finally kicked in, and that's why we stopped right there, and that's why we're pumping up. And we pumped bigger than any wicks. Okay, so that's a really good sign, guys. So great sign for Electroneum. Guys, if you haven't checked out my channel yet, be sure to do so. That's all I have time for today. Guys, I'm getting subs every single day, so I'm just having a great time. I'm still a long ways from monetization, but working towards my goal and just having a blast. So guys, just thank you in advance for all your support. I am Crypto Matrix. I'll catch you guys later.